Frank Swoboda with Rock Island Realty, and I'd like to introduce you to a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here at beautiful Breakwater Bay at the Lake of the Ozarks. Granite countertops with a beautiful backsplash. Beautifully updated. Enjoy the view of the 20-mile marker in your screened-in porch. Fully furnished. Includes a 28-foot slip, plenty of parking. For more information on this condo or any other property here at the lake, give us a call at 573-365-2311